Like a pair of human hands, molecules can come in two different versions too. They can be left-handed or right-handed. These so-called chiral molecules are considered essential for biology and life as we know it. Now researchers say they have discovered the first organic chiral molecule in interstellar space and are one step closer to solving one of the biggest mysteries here on Earth. By using highly sensitive radio telescopes to scan for a very precise molecular pattern, a team of scientists at the National Radio Astronomy Observatory, Caltech, and Harvard University found one of the smallest and simplest chiral molecules, propylene oxide, in a gas cloud in the Milky Way galaxy about 28,000 light-years away from Earth. Chiral molecules have been found buried in meteorites on Earth and in samples collected from comets. But this is the first time scientists have detected a chiral molecule in the vast reaches of interstellar space. All life on Earth is made of groups of chiral molecules that overwhelmingly share just one type of handedness, left or right. This phenomenon is known as homochirality. The amino acids that make up the proteins in our bodies, for example, are all left-handed, whereas the sugars that make up the DNA are always right-handed. But how this pattern of single-handedness emerged on Earth is a mystery. The scientists say they don't know yet whether the chiral molecule they found in deep space is left or right-handed. They want to continue studying the molecule to better understand the processes that drive chiral molecules in one direction or another. Given the possibility that the building blocks of life may have originated in space, the scientists believe that studying patterns of chirality beyond Earth can shed more light on our origins and whether anything happens while stars and solar systems are forming that causes one-handedness to dominate the other.